Hello YouTube viewers, this is Krishna from CKTechs again with a brand new tech solution. So first I uploaded on how we can install Android OS in our PC. So this is just the replica of that video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Windows OS on your Android phone with a good internet connection in about 2 minutes. Okay. So for more technical videos, please subscribe my channel CKTechs, and if you like this video then put a like over there and give your comments in the comment section. Okay, so let's get to this video. So viewers, for this trick you're gonna need the following requirements. Number one is that you need a good Android phone like Redmi Note 8, Redmi Note 9 Pro, can like that, which has high RAM in it, okay, and which consumes data more fastly. Okay, so number two is that you're gonna have to need a mouse, okay, a mouse, because for moving the arrow while we boot down in our Windows OS, mouse is a great option. Okay, so for that mouse, number three requirement is that you're gonna have to need an OTG cable for that. Okay, so OTG is our third requirement, and fourth requirement is you are gonna have to need a good internet connection. Okay, so you're gonna have to have a good internet connection. Number 5 is that no root or jailbreak is required. So viewers, we are in an Android phone. Let me show you that I already told you that my phone is not rooted, and this does not require any root or jailbreak permissions. So first of all, go to your Chrome browser. This is the website I was talking to you about. It's onworks.net, and it has also Ubuntu 19, Windows Online Emulator, all those OSs. So I'll give you the link of Windows 10 OS in the description box, so you can check it over there. So after you touch the description link, you're gonna go to and click start. Okay, so it is showing me that it has started its progress. So you're gonna have to wait until the timer completes. This is why means it actually detects your RAM or your phone conditions and then brings out the OS for you. So now that it has entered, let's go. So now it is, first of all, the first step is your phone checking. Now second step is the OS checking. So after checking the OS, it will load a new page for you. So this is the new page. My internet's good today, so I'm getting it fast, and I always tell you that please have a good internet connection for this kind of like things. So viewers, as you can see that you have your very own Windows OS running on your Android mobile. So let's check the applications. Okay, this might be a little bit confusing for you, but the softwares are both the same in the onworks.net and in our natural Windows 10 OS. Okay, so after that I have opened WordPad, as you can see. Wonderful. So viewers, we have successfully booted Windows OS in our Android phone. So viewers, as you can see that we have successfully installed Windows OS in our Android phone in just 2 minutes. Okay, so it varies from your internet connection to others' internet connection. So in my hacking channel, I'll be uploading a video on how to install Ubuntu OS in your Android phone. So please wait for that video. Until then, do this trick. If it works, then I will be very happy for you. If it didn't, work too, then too I'll be happy for you, because you have at least tried what I've conveyed to you. So if you have any queries, then you can give it in the comment section, and CKTex will reply to you as soon as possible. So it's a great heartfelt thanks from Krishna and CKTex. Thank you.